So this is the Warlick Family YMCA in Gastonia, North Carolina. Or I'll say this is part of it. And there's more to it that I may not get to today. Wow, look at this place. Check it out. First thing I did was get lost. I think I ran off the trail. There's a number of different trails, but I ran off of all of them. Okay, here's my hill. I found one. This is a true trail run. I wasn't expecting this, but I'll take it. This is a lot of up and down. This looks like more of a compact version of Crowder's Mountain. And that's, well, some flat. I'll start running again. That's not surprising because we're kind of near the mountain. This is in or near Gastonia, North Carolina, which is in the vicinity of Crowder's Mountain, Kings Mountain, that kind of thing. So what I've been doing is running the uphills and the flats and kind of trotting or walking downhill. This is my first time here, and I don't want to have them A, come and find me, and B, carry me out of here. So better to be prudent. And check this out. We come out of the wooded area and get greeted by quite a sight. Oh yeah, I like this place. I'll be back.